Okay, so hi and welcome to Valencia Airport in Spain, and we're on our way to Marseille in France, and today is the first time flying Ryanair. Now, I've avoided flying Ryanair or Vueling or EasyJet. I've avoided low-cost airlines in general because I just think the hidden costs and sort of the way they treat passengers like cattle is more than I want to deal with. But with the current war going on in the Middle East and the petrol fuel prices being insane, it's a bit difficult to avoid them. So let's go. First time on Ryanair, let's give them a fair review. Let's see what happens. Okay guys, it is officially day 4 for me in France. I've been staying in this really small apartment as I came from Spain a couple of days early. It is Thursday. I'm in the process of moving to the race hotel here for the IRONMAN 70.3 in Aix. That's why we're here. We're here for one of my favorite 70.3 races of the year, the 70.3 Aix-en-Provence here. And it's happening this weekend. It's a pro series race, so there's lots of professionals, like I think 70 or 80 men's and women's pros. Really good list of professionals. We stayed here in this beautiful little apartment in Old Town Aix. We're now moving to the Ibis, which is our normal race hotel. We're going to walk there because we've got loads of time between now and check-in. So let's go. Okay guys, so here we are. This is day 5, but essentially day 2 at IRONMAN 70.3 Aix-en-Provence. Today's expo registration day. We've done a team meeting. Now we're at the venue, which is a new venue for the race briefing and the awards. It is an outdoor theater. I mean, just look at this. Apparently it seats just over 1,000 people. And I mean, it's in the square. Beautiful wooden chairs. Massive screen on the stage. It's absolutely brilliant. This is probably one of the coolest venues, other than the Colosseum, the Roman amphitheater in Pula that I worked at. This is probably the most historic site that I've ever done a presentation at. So that's what's going on today. Let's go look at the expo. Come on. Okay guys, welcome to bike check-in day. Saturday. It is around about 10 past 5 in the afternoon. 2,800 people checking in their bikes for race day. It's going to be pretty amazing. We are here tomorrow morning from 5:30. Transition opens and closes at 7. Race starts at 7. Men's pros 5 past 7. Women 10 past is our age group. It's 2,800 athletes, 55 nations. It's going to be a great day.
Welcome, IRONMAN 70.3 Aix-en-Provence.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Welcome to the swim start. Look at that. Water temperature 17.3 degrees, air temperature 8 degrees, which is why I look like this. It is wild. It's race day this morning. Pro Series race, 100 pros, 2,800 amateurs from 55 nations, and it's cold. We're going to start. Let's go.
Dans le sport, on parle de sportif, et bien un garçon dont on va beaucoup parler, autiste, on peut se dire, parce que le travail colossal de son papa. Et c'est parti, mesdames, messieurs, le départ. Beautiful sight. Come on, everybody, smile.
Come on, Brooke, you got this. Let's go. Come on, Brooke. Come on, Brooke. Come on, Shona.
Il est là, tous les deux, c'est comme l'année dernière. Allez, comment, vite, mais comment, c'est tout. Et là, à tout de suite, on avance. Arrive, et on élève, je vois les gens qui crient, je vois les gens qui ont sourire, on y va, avec l'énergie. On va avec l'énergie.
Ladies and gentlemen, on the finish line, your 2023
second man down the finish line from Germany. Welcome, Rico Bogen. Third place representing Germany, Lassa Pista. Ladies and gentlemen, for the second time, back to back, representing France, welcome Marjolaine Guillet. Representing Switzerland, second place, IRONMAN 70.3 Aix-en-Provence. Make some noise, Imogen Simmons.
C'est fini, merci pour Olivier, félicitations pour Olivier. Les couleurs de mon club ici, Triathlon, allez, police, c'est parfait. On continue, c'est fini également à droite pour Thomas. Bien évidemment. Christophe Alessandro, c'est parfait, mesdemoiselles, avec Jean-Gabriel, félicitations de Triathlon.
Jean-Gabriel.
Les textes qui sont en train de bien. Yes, you go, here we go. Ici, la Nathalie, you can do it. You go, come on. Allez, Paul-Henri, Victor encore. Et t'as serré les Italiens, avant que j'étais passé grand, vous n'êtes pas loin tous les deux. Allez, c'est bon. Come on, guys. Come on, Tom. Come on, Harry.